you like coffee, serious business, entertainment, jokes, and giveaways, follow our partners at SubaruSteve.com, one of the hottest live shows in the Hampton Roads. I mean, who doesn't like to win free stuff? Alright guys, Josh here. You're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. Today we're going to be working on my Mazdaspeed 3. I'll be cleaning these later or taking them somewhere to get clean. As you can see, getting to the low beams are really difficult. That's not what we're working on, but I just want to show that since the hood is already popped. I'm replacing the ballast on the driver's side headlight unit. Basically, when I turn the light on, she goes right back off. Might last 10 seconds, it might last 15, might last a minute, then it goes off. At first I was thinking bulb, but this is the GT, which has HIDs. So what that means, I have to go and get into the fender well there, remove some screws, drop this bumper halfway, got myself a little 4K box to lay down on, and yeah, should be relatively easy. She's like right underneath, right on top of the headlight unit there. So I'm gonna skip to another scene when I'm working on it there. Okay, I needed some energy, I'm like literally tired. Luckily for me, there's not a lot of extra craziness I gotta do. Just gotta unscrew some things, which I've already done previously, so I kind of know all the steps I'm doing here. Just gotta remember what goes where. It's a little chilly out here, mind you. Not the greatest weather, but when you have limited off days, there's only so much you can do. Pop the clip up. Come on. There we go. Here, so down here literally just have to lift this and this comes right off there real nice and easy. The other side I already have the quick releases there installed by the previous owner. There's one little thing that's just stripped, so I kind of got to yank that one off, and there's two underneath, and she should come down. Let me go ahead and switch the angle here. So this is the where we're at here. This is the clip that I was talking about there that I kind of got to yank out. Other two are underneath. I turned my wheel so it'll be easy to get to it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, where's my crap at? In my pocket, of course. I'm not the greatest with tools, and I lose stuff. Yeah, I know that's not a good hobby to have. I'm laying on my back trying to find the freaking, there we go. Okay, which one are you? You are, oh, right here. You are this one. Cool. Should come right up now. Truth be told, I need to find something to replace this because obviously that's not going to work forever. Cool. Okay, so this is the ballast right here. I should have enough room to do all this. I'm gonna set the camera down again. Go from there, I guess. Just take it off. Okay guys, so it's hanging and there's a little rubber piece there. Trying to see necessarily, do I have to get the rubber off, then I can pull it off, or does it screw on? So I'm gonna actually look at the new one to see if I notice anything. Okay, after removing the rubber some, there's actually 2 little screws on there. I don't know if I can get up in there for you guys to see, but I'm gonna try to remove those and get back to you. Okay, the way it's angled, I was not liking that, so I'm gonna take the headlight unit off. ... Didn't want to, but because of how that's sitting there and the screw, and it's literally impossible to screw it at that angle, I'm gonna have to take the headlight unit off. Okay, I got the headlight off. More jets over here. Here is what I need to take off and replace. So let me go ahead and I can't hear myself think while the jets are going by, but I'm just gonna take this off, replace it. I should have room to do this, but we'll see how to do that real quick. All right, so I thought I had to unscrew this, but the more I pulled on it, I was a little bit worried, and I kept tugging in between these. I guess it just had like a really snug grip on there. So here's what I have to say about this. Fuck you! Okay, let's get the new one on, shall we? Okay, it's on there nice and snug. I made sure it was nice and hooked up real tight. So I'm gonna fasten this up, put everything back on, shut the car on. We're skipping the part of me scrambling for all the screws because I don't feel like staring at myself struggling. So, all right guys, I'm tired. I lost one bolt. Turns out it was hiding somewhere. Everything's back on connected, nice, snug and tight. So we're looking for this light here to come on and stay on. If it was just a ballast, I'm set the GoPro there. Start the car up. Guess I'm gonna have to take it something else. Don't know, maybe it's the bulb. I do not want to pull it out again. Hold on. All right, YouTube. That's a negatory. I sit out here for like hours, taking crap apart, checking fuses. So now I'm thinking, well, is it the bulb too? Like, what happened? I don't know. I don't feel like ordering another bulb right now. I only had 2 days off from work. My next day is tomorrow off, and I'm gonna relax. So this is obviously a fail video. I mean, I got the part off, I swapped it out, but no bueno. It's a little irritating because now this thing doesn't work at all, and I'm like, well, I didn't mess any wires up, or maybe the bulb just gave out, or I don't know. But I mean, I checked all the fuses. I don't know. Oh, by the way, getting to the fuse underneath, let me show you guys here. So this is what really annoys the crap out of me. Going way under here just to get, going way under there just to get to the fuse makes no sense at all. It's like literally, the Subaru was a lot easier. This was just, I'm breaking my hands. Well, I'm calling that it for now. It's like 3 p.m. or whatever. So I spent like 3 hours, 3 or 4, give or take. But yeah, I'll just go and look at some forums and see if other people have had issues and see what else to do. Maybe it's a wiring issue. I had to pause. I'm like, if it's a wiring, I don't know. I gotta find someone to help me with that. All right, if you guys enjoyed this fail video, like, share, comment, subscribe, join our Discord. I'm out. I'm done. This car has beat the shit out of me. I'm done.